Perhaps out of spite or the desire for revenge, this new ruler brutally attacked Lagash and is said to have massacred many of its people, as well as destroying its great temples. He then went on to conquer and annex other city-states, ultimately claiming to have forged an empire stretching from the Persian Gulf all the way to the Mediterranean Sea. Most scholars, though, don't take Lugal Zagazi at his word. He really may only have controlled the city-states of Sumer, which in itself would have been a remarkable achievement. Had he done this, he would have created the first true world empire in history.